Today I'm going to talk about how to use a Google account to log into your .NET Core application via Azure b2c Active Directory. In this diagram, we have three systems. We have application, Azure b2c, and Google Identify Provider. When customers visit our application, they will call Azure b2c. Azure b2c return sign in and sign up page to the front-end user. On this page, user can choose the Google login. When they click Google login, they will call the Google Identify Provider. After check the provider, they will call Azure b2c. In the b2c, they will return a valid token, and the user will use the token to log into the application. The first things first, we need to create our Azure b2c. In the b2c, we will register our application, also set up a Google Identity Provider. So let's go to my account. This is my Azure account, and I have already set up my Azure b2c account. In here, you can click b2c or get the b2c directory. First things, we need to register our application. So I create a new one. Maybe we call this one b2c test. And it is the web application. This one, I give it the fake one. Later I'll change this link. Okay, we need the client ID, so we note it down, save into somewhere. Okay, so second step, we'll set up Google Identify Provider. So I go to Identify Provider. In here, you will see how to set up Google Provider. So you can easily set up by using this link. This kind of structure. How can you set up the Google account? This is my Google account. As you see, this is a new application, which I use the new create a new project, add this application. So in this application, we need to set up OAuth send screen. In this part, you need to put application name, support email, and developer contact information. And also this part, you need to set up domain. The domain is not changed, just put b2c log b2clog.com must be this domain. And then also you need to set up credential. And credential needs to set up the OAuth 2.5 to 2.0. In here you can set up. After setup like this, you will get client ID and the client secret, which we need this two value to set up our Google connection in Azure. Also, this link, this URL link, and this URL link come from here. These two, and we need to put the client ID and the client secret on these two fields to input. After you set up identity provider, we can set up user flow. You can create a new user flow, and in my case, I just use this one. This one you are seeing. You can see the property. In the property, yeah, then you can run the user flow from here. When you check the identity provider, you see I choose the Google. You can choose the application clay. So the clay would be, choose some email, surname, display name, email address. Yeah, there's a bit you can choose whatever you want. Okay, you can use this one to try whether we can connect the Google account by clicking this link. This is the OpenID connection configuration. If you run, click this one. So you see we have Google account link. We have one more option to use a Google get into our system. Then we can. Okay, where are we? Okay, we set up the Google Identifier Provider and set up the Azure b2c, and then we create our application. You can create the web application, you can create the console application, you can create maybe a single page application. So in my case, I will create a single page application, which is a blazor application. So this one we call demo. Choose the server-side application. Which is multiple organization, which I can use a Google account to log into my system. In here, I can choose some domain, so I'll choose my b2c domain. So in here we need to modify some code. In this case, we do not need this part actually. We need to add a user face, namespace, and namespace. We also need to change the ID and the security. Those values come from here. We cannot, in the case, we cannot use a blazor application demo. These are created by Video Studio, so we need to create a new one. So this one will be okay. I haven't created this one, so I create one. I think I create one. Which one is I create? Yeah, I think b2c test. This one I create. So choose this one. Yeah, this one I create. Get this ID. We also need to set up security, make our application more secure. Get this value. Okay, so that bridge mark down. Let me write, see what the result. With this application, it will call Azure b2c, and Azure b2c will return back sign in and the setup page. So we're waiting sign in and the setup page. Yeah, we have one more thing that we need to set up. We need to change the authentication, the link. So the link would be we copy from here, and then go to the authentication, change this value to new one, and sign in OpenID connection. Okay, let's retry one more time. Okay, so in here you see we have one more option, use a Google account to log in. So click Google account. And then they go to either the login. Okay, I use my mobile phone to log in. So they were successfully return back the token and allow me to log into this system. Cool. Yep, that's all I want to show. Thank you.